Okay, now we were talking about tools in Flash. First of all, I will drawing circles by using oval tools here. When you create, okay, we change color just a little bit. When you create pictures in Flash, because of this program is a vector-based software, so when you create circles, you can click on a color inside and click and drag separate it by using selection tools, and then you see this is a line. You can select on the line. This is really good because you can click and move everywhere you want, and you can adjust circles as you want to by moving selection tools near the circles, and then click and drag to making change. See, and you can select by making rectangle cover the symbols, or you can select some part by select like this too. Okay, I will show you how vectors work. For example, I select this line and I release the line here, and then I can split part of symbol, a part of a graphic that I create into three parts like this by using lines to separate it. It's really good. And then I can select all of these, and I can transform by select transform tools here. See, symbols, and then you can transform by clicking on the box in the line and moving. See, oops, sorry. And then rotation, you have to move the mouse in near the corner, and then moving, click and drag to moving. And if you want to scale it and make these pictures keep aspect ratio, you have to press shift on keyboard and press and drag. See, this is really good tools to create vector graphic and really simple. Okay, here we have box. Okay, see how does it work. In box you can do the same thing, and you can adjust curve of the box like this. Yeah, it's really simple. And I will erase everything by press delete on keyboard. And I want to create box again, and I want set the corner like a smooth corner, for example like a 5 point. Okay, see what happened. See, this is like a curve on a corner. Okay, I will add more point. See what's happened. You can zoom in by press Ctrl plus and minus on a keyboard to see what happened in the closer view, or you can click here to adjust the percent of the stage that you want to show. Okay, this one is really good too. It's a pencil tools. You can draw the line. This is the same line as this line, because this pencil will draw the stroke. When you draw stroke in Flash, you can select option when you want to draw into three options: strengthen, smooth, and ink. Strengthen, you got something like a really hard, like a straight line, and in the ink you can create this line as you like your hand drawing. And about smooth, the line will adjust smooth for you. Okay. And you can click on the property when you select on the pencil tool, ovals and rectangulars, line tool, to adjust the line size here and line type. For example, I want solid, I want something like this and this and this. I can select and draw. See what happened here. And if you draw finish already, you can select on selection tools, double click on the line and change the property to got new type of line that you want or new thickness value that you want. Okay, it's very good. Okay, and this one is a brush tools. Brush tool is really good tool for drawing thing. You can using tablet to or mouse pen to draw graphic work for you. I will change color to this and adjust the light to this one. As I work in Flash for many years, I recommend that if you want to draw something using tablet, the size of the brush would be this one better, because this one is really hard to control for me. And if you want to try, and this is shape of your brush, I think circles is okay. And this is option that you can select paint, normal paint, fill paint. I will talking about this later. Okay, see what happened. Something like this. This is really look like a brush, and it's easy for you to use this tool to create a sketch of your animation, or you can add something. It's very good for drawing thing. And this one is ink bottle, used to change the color of stroke. And this one is paint bucket tools, used to change color in fill area. For example, I want to change color here. I click this one, change the color and fill. Okay, and I want to change the color of the stroke. I will click on the stroke, for examples. Okay, and this is eraser. You can erase everything here. Actually, eraser you can use option to help you. For example, I use erase fill. This will erase only in fill area, and you can erase line, erase only stroke. And then I can change the shape of the eraser. This one used to select the color, but I prefer that you select from this better, because even you convert graphic to symbol, you can use this tool to select color, but this one, this eyedropper can't. Okay. Okay, now everything is look okay for tools, but I will talking about just a little bit in selection tools here. When you're drawing curve here, for example, you can use selection tools to select the line and adjust, strengthen and smooth. See, this is very good for making line. A little bit in light in adjust here. Okay, this is sub selection tools. You can select this one and you will see the control point in the line to adjust more, and you had arm to control the line here. Okay, this is really good. And this one and this one, these tools, gradient transform tools, how's it work? Okay, we will look at something here, color here, gradient, and you can paint gradient color here. And how can I adjust this one? use these two to adjust the gradient. I can select on a gradient color field here and adjust gradient and rotate here. It's really cool. Okay, and if I change this one to radial gradient, I have more option for control this. Okay, select size, rotation, and something like that. Okay, this is the way that we using gradient in Flash, and these two is the pen tools. You can select and create, and you got arm to control, like when you use sub-selection tools to control the line. And finally, I think will be text tool. Text tool, you can select here and type something you want, and select text that you create. Change a property, for example, font size, font face that you can change, and size, color that you can change, or you can change color here. Is okay, the same thing. Bold, italic, something, and you can select 3 type of text here. It's a static text used to display, and dynamic text used for programming, and input text used to input some value into your program in Flash. Okay, like a many program that creating text to. Okay, now I think everything is covered in about tools. Now we will continue on the other panel in next tutorial.